Today we're going to restore this Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Let's get started. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove the screws attached securing the wireless charging and NFC module, antenna bracket and speaker module. Remove the antenna bracket. Remove the wireless charging and NFC module. Remove the speaker module. Remove the SIM card tray. Unplug all the flex cable connectors carefully. Remove the motherboard carefully. Prepare the original AMOLED screen with frame to begin the transfer process. Remove the headphones base. Remove the antenna cable. Install the headphones base properly. Plug in the antenna cables in place. Install the motherboard carefully. Plug in all the flex cable properly. Plug in the antenna cables in place. Install the new battery properly. Install the charging module screws. Place the wireless charging and NFC module, antenna bracket and speaker module properly. Install all the screws properly. Prepare the new back cover. Remove the old camera lens in place. Install the new back cover properly. The restoration process is now complete. The Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge is a flagship smartphone known for its sleek design and curved edge display. Released in 2016, it features a 5.5-inch Super AMOLED screen, a powerful camera, water resistance, and robust performance driven by its Exynos 8890 or Snapdragon 820 processor, depending on the region. The device gained acclaim for its premium build, impressive display, and versatile camera capabilities. Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.